I'm a rolling stone. Who am I southbound to follow my heart and being close to you? I'm just passing through million desolated places on my way down to sword and sun. I whistle these tunes as long your thoughts are with me. The wind will take me on and I'm gone, and I'll be just on the run until the shore is reached. I smell the breeze of the sea, and then it almost feels if I could take your hand and lay it into mine. And then I would not let go to send 1,000 lives. And then it almost feels if I could take your heart and connect it to mine. I swear I will be always on your mind. Tell me, would you do it so? Or would you, or would you, or would you deny? I'm a rolling stone. Am I southbound? Follow my heart and being close to you. I'm just passing through million desolated places on my way down to sword and sun. I whistle these tunes as long your thoughts are with me. The wind will take me on and I'm gone, and I'll be just on the run until the shore is reached. I smell the breeze of the sea, and then it almost feels if I could take your hand and lay it into mine. And then I would not let go this hand 1,000 lives. And then it almost feels if I could take your heart and connect it to mine. I swear I will be always on your mind. Tell me, would you do it so? Or would you, or would you, or would you deny? Or would you deny? Or would you deny? Or would you deny? And then it almost feels, hey, if I could take your hand and lay it into mine. And then I would not let go. No, I would not let go this hand in 1,000 lives. And then it almost feels, hey, if I could take your heart and connect it to mine. I swear I will be always on your mind. Tell me, would you do it so? Or would you, or would you, or would you deny? Hey, if I could take your hand and lay it into mine. And then I would not let go. No, I would not let go this hand in 1,000 lives. Or would you deny? Hey, if I could take your heart and connect it to mine. I swear I will be always on your mind. Tell me, would you do it so? Or would you, or would you, or would you deny?
I wanna go on a trip through the islands, take a walk from the hills to the highlands, see some things that will leave me silent, the type of mileage that widens your eyelids. I'm talking about a sunset, a sunrise, talking about a full moon right before my eyes. I'm talking mountains down to oceans. What's the commotion? The earth, steady emotion, a potent potion of things to see. Stimulate your senses, it makes sense to me. Taking a walk up on the beach just to find relief, for taking a dip up in the creek when you're feeling the heat. Come on. I think it's about time that we widen our eyelids. I think it's about time. I think it's about time. I think it's about time that we I think it's about time that we widen our eyelids. I think it's about time. I think it's about time. I think it's about time that we ask yourself, have you ever taken for granted the things that Mother Nature happened to plant up on the planet? Like bamboo, plants that are cool to view, or flowers with pollen make you go at you. Ooh, yeah, we rockin' for the new year. Who's here? Wilderness crew. These fools got more rhymes than trees in BC, or species of insects, a number which is not not known completely.
Yeah, not known completely as the sound of my buddies leak down through the speakers with the WC. As I drop to my knees, overwhelmed with this world, so I widen my eyelids like Eli D.
I'm gonna write some shit that you might wanna sing along with. There ain't nothing wrong with this, so now if you're rolling in your car, just feel me. If you're chilling on the beach, just feel me. If you're trying to make a buck, just feel me. If you're